cute.
Thank you so laughing.
Come on, you could be in the intro. Ready?
Yep.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Obviously today I have my sister and my dog. And we thought it would be a fun video for my sister to copy what I do for my full face of makeup. She tried doing it for my last makeup challenge, which was I don't even remember what I titled that.
It was like random
makeup, or when I picked the colors from a jar. And she completely failed, so I thought it'd be hilarious if we did a full face of makeup and she tried to copy me today. So to start off with, we're gonna use primer. Okay, so we're gonna be using the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio Prime in Base. It's supposed to blur and smooth. I don't need that much. Oh, there you go.
Why is it white? I thought it would be clear.
It rubs in clear.
Wait, how much should I put? Whatever you feel. I'm not putting it on my forehead. I'm just putting it on my pores.
A little rough.
Okay, I'm gonna put it here because I need that.
Also, don't judge my makeup the way I do my makeup because I really don't care what you say. And I do it the way I want to do it.
Hey.
Okay, so the next thing is going to be foundation. So once again, oh, why did I think this was Maybelline? The L'Oreal Paris.
Wait, you said the other
And,
one. Oh, that was Maybelline.
yeah.
It's like the
same
same
exact
thing,
packaging.
yeah.
That's weird. And Infallible Pro Glow. I have 202 and 203, which is like a crazy difference if you ask me. This is what I usually use in the winter. But because I'm like, this is so orange, right?
I'm gonna look like I have mud on my face.
You might have to use the, like, cause you're darker.
My face
But I'm gonna do a mixture of both colors because I think I'm gonna do more of.
That's a lot.
Big face. Okay, here.
Wait, oh, wait. Oh, I'm doing it?
You're supposed to copy me, and then I'm gonna do a little bit
Should I do a little bit?
of,
Oh.
or a lot of it. That's cool.
No, I was talking about a little bit of that one.
Alright, Beauty Blender.
Oh, I'm using the Morphe one?
Yeah, this is my favorite one. You know we're getting this. Ah, that's not that bad, right?
It made your face look bubbly. Should I do a little bit of this or no?
If you want to.
No.
It's okay. You can always fix it with concealer and bronzer.
Let
me see. Oh. Did you mix in any of the other color?
Yeah, but it's like over here.
Yeah, I like kind of blend it all together. Okay.
No. Not. Celeste, what is how? Maybe,
Mine looks fine,
maybe-
in my opinion.
Maybe
I mean, it looks a little,
I look ghostly.
but like,
Okay, maybe
it's
I
okay. It's okay.
just need a kind of. No, it's just not working out at all. No, it's not. Flashback Mary who?
It doesn't look that bad. When you blend it in more, I think it looks fine.
I look like
You should have put your hair back so it's not.
whatever. I don't care. I have so much on my hands still. It's like absorbing in my skin.
Did you do your neck?
Oh no, I didn't.
I'll get it on my necklace. La-da-doo, la-da-doo, da-dee-da-doo. Alright, I know this is not the color I should be using, but I'm gonna do the Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX.
That's gonna make me even look worse.
But I'm not gonna do that much. I'm literally gonna go like because this is like
Ew.
too white for my summer color.
Look at that. Like, that looks gross. Do you see that? Wait, how many did you do on your eye?
4.
Can you do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Then 2 on my nose.
4.
Like 1 there, 1 up top, like here and there.
1 here. How many did you do here? Oh, you did it on your freaking thing too. Or, wait, 4. How many did you do on your chin? 2.
Did you do 1 on your lip?
What? Oh. Oh, hi.
It looks so pale. Let me see. I also have like this red patch of skin with little white dots. So it always comes through no matter what foundation I wear. Yeah, how much I do I put on it. So it's annoying thing with it.
I look glowy. I set my face with, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth powder and 125
Can you wait for me?
nude beige with the Real Techniques face brush.
You're still not waiting.
You're so slow.
Well, I'm sorry. I look like a freaking ghost.
You're doing good. Just under that eye and then your chin a little bit more.
And right here. Oh my god. I'm double multi. Oh my god. That's gonna make me even whiter.
And
I can't see.
we were gonna fix it with bronzer. It's gonna be okay. My nose.
I look
I really want
like
a nose job,
I
bro.
look like grandma.
Leave grandma out of this.
My eyes, like, it's so watery. I need some eye drops. Like, everything is so blurry.
Mm-hmm.
I said 1 time and you were 5 times.
She doesn't have good listening skills. My eyebrows look like when I do that, they look good. My eyebrows look so bad today. I'm not happy.
Wait, did you do it on your nose?
Yeah, I do it everywhere.
What do you mean everywhere?
Like I do it like a light coat all over my face.
Where else do you put it here?
Like everywhere. All right, so then we're gonna go in with Hula Benefit.
It's like perfect and just brings perfect. No, I don't like it. Fine. I don't like a big fluffy one. But you look. Where do I put that? Because you said my cheekbones big. Okay. Right over there. Yeah. I'm gonna do a little bit on my forehead. Why are your sunglasses? I just.
Just all over my face? Williams?
I think I'm gonna just try T.
Did you do it here? For what?
A tap.
For
T is the shade.
for what?
For a contour.
I'm not doing contour.
No, I was dirty. I didn't do this right. That's fine. For this. Oh, God.
Good.
Can you do it for me?
I think it's just because you're so dark.
Oh, ghostly.
Suck in. So you can see the heck I'm working with. Wow, that looks so dark. I look. Go on highlight.
I can't. I freaking stab myself in the neck. We're already doing highlight?
Yeah, why not? I feel nauseous.
Where do I put the highlighter?
On top of your cheekbones.
Here?
Yes.
I don't know how to do this.
Might be a little too much.
Take our blending brush and let's go in with canvas
Canvas.
for right now.
I knew it.
I'm just gonna. My brushes are beyond dirty.
This brush is so messed up.
I need new brushes. If anyone wants to buy me new brushes, please. And then I'm gonna go in with Punch Me and do that as a light transition shade.
My eyelid is blue. Like, how did that even happen?
I obviously used that for a blue shade.
Why? You're already going in with the yellow?
No.
Wait. This eye looks brown, this one looks orange. I don't know what I'm doing. Like,
Okay, so then we're gonna go in with B and pack it in. And then going back in with Punch Me. Just gonna blend that part out. Ready?
nope. Yours is so yellow and I look retarded.
Retarded.
I hate makeup. Why did you have to pick yellow? Like, yellow is such an ugly color.
I'll use green next. Oh, I should do blue.
Maybe yours is more pigmented than mine. This one, the fallout.
Alright, and then we're gonna go in with another blending brush. And we're gonna go in with
Can I
518.
use this one?
Hmm?
Can I use this one?
Sure. 518, and then we're gonna go
Wait,
just
518, the orange one.
right in here, yeah. See where I'm going?
You can't even see it.
I thought you said only right here.
I did.
Now it's all the way over here. You freaking lied.
You look good for the first time really doing makeup.
I do because I'm pretty sure the yellow's disappearing.
Let me see. You also have tiny eyelids. You have a lot of space.
Rated.
Just breathe. Everything's gonna be alright. Alright.
Maybe because I didn't put that much.
Oh, you know you love
I
me.
look like a freaking elf.
Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. Ready? Next dip.
I look retarded.
Stop. All right, then we're gonna go in with, okay, we're just gonna dip in a little bit of Mary, I think. And pack it in here. Okay, hungry.
I'm done.
Good. Looks good. I'm going in with Love That just right at the lash line. Just put mascara on and call it a day. We'll call it a fail. Oh, it's so lovely. Edge of your lash line. Actually looks good.
What is happening?
Why are you adding all these colors?
You said we were doing the one that you did the other day.
I know, and I was like, ooh, color. You look good.
No, I don't. Stop lying.
This here, when you add mascara, everything looks better. Sister love. I don't know, I got inspired.
There, better.
Let me see.
Blend the whole freaking thing in. There we go. I'm done.
Beautiful! Beautiful! You look so beautiful. I love how positive you are.
Hi! Can I just do my own thing now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Make myself look like a clown. Oh my god, it's fun.
Alright. We're just gonna put on some mascara, call it a day, because obviously this was a fail video.
Beautiful.
And a little bit of
Hey,
next.
you messed up.
I already did inner corner highlight.
No? My brow highlight.
Oh, I don't ever do that. Alright, so alright, so if you made it this far, thank you guys for watching. Sierra is absolutely aggravated right now and she just wants to get off and take it off her makeup, but I think her face makeup looks good. It's just the eyeshadow and mascara that's a little wonky.
Okay, I gave up after the eyeshadow. I don't care about my
But alright, so make sure you check out my other videos and my vlog channel. What? So I'll link down my vlog channel and my socials down below. Okay, motorcycle. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Are you trying to fix it now?
No, I'm just like